Summary of the Russia-Ukraine War. The Russia-Ukraine War, which began on February 24, 2022, has become one of the most significant conflicts in modern history, reshaping global geopolitics. The conflict stems from long-standing tensions, including Ukraine's pro-Western orientation, Russia's desire to maintain influence over its neighbors, and disputes over territories like Crimea and the Donbass region. Background. 1. In 2014, Russia annexed Crimea following Ukraine's Maidan Revolution. 1. The annexation and subsequent Russian support for separatists in Donetsk and Luhansk escalated tensions. 2. Ukraine's desire to join NATO and the EU heightened Moscow's fears of Western encroachment on its borders, culminating in a full-scale invasion in 2022. Major phases of the war. Initial invasion. February-March 2022. Russia launched a multi-front attack aiming to capture Kyiv and overthrow Ukraine's government. However, strong Ukrainian resistance and logistical challenges forced Russia to withdraw from northern Ukraine by April. Eastern and Southern Fronts, 2022. Russia shifted focus to the Donbass region and southern Ukraine, capturing cities like Mariupol and advancing in Luhansk. Ukraine counterattacked, reclaiming Kharkiv and parts of Kherson by late 2022. Intensified combat and attrition, 2023. The war turned into a grinding conflict with high casualties on both sides. Ukraine launched a counteroffensive, aiming to retake occupied territories, but progress was slower than anticipated due to well-fortified Russian defenses. Geopolitical impacts. 1. Western nations imposed severe sanctions on Russia and provided Ukraine with significant military aid, including advanced weapon systems like HIMARS and Leopard tanks. 2. Russia sought support from allies like China, Iran, and North Korea, deepening global divisions. Humanitarian crisis. 1. Millions of Ukrainians were displaced, with extensive damage to infrastructure. 1. Cities like Mariupol and Bakhmut were reduced to rubble. 2. Allegations of war crimes, including attacks on civilians, emerged, leading to international condemnation. Current status as of late 2024, the conflict remains unresolved, with neither side achieving decisive victory. Diplomatic efforts have stalled, and the war continues to drain resources, claiming lives and destabilizing the region. Global implications. The war has disrupted energy markets, contributed to food insecurity due to reduced grain exports, and strained international alliances. It has also reinforced NATO's unity, with countries like Finland and Sweden joining the alliance. The Russia-Ukraine war underscores the enduring dangers of unresolved territorial and ideological disputes in a multipolar world.